Hello, world. Welcome, I am your host Mr. Stag. Today we will be taking a deep dive into George Soros's public investment holdings in Q3 2021. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Born in Budapest in 1930, George Soros is chair of Soros Fund Management LLC. As one of history's most successful financiers, his views on investing and economic issues are widely followed. Soros established the Quantum Group of Funds hedge fund in 1973. The lead quantum fund famously shorted the British pound in 1992, making $1 billion in a day. Soros converted his hedge fund into a family investment office in 2011. Soros Fund Management is advisor to the fund. As of March 2021, he had a net worth of $8.6 billion United States dollars, having donated more than $32 billion to the Open Society foundations, of which $15 billion have already been distributed, representing 64% of his original fortune. Soros's largest public position is Liberty Broadband Corp., ticker symbol LBRDK. He currently owns 3,902,068 shares valued at $674 million. Soros owns 2.21% of the company. Liberty Broadband Corporation, a cable operator, provides video, internet, and voice services to residential and small and medium business customers in the United States. The company operates through Skyhook and Charter segments. The Skyhook segment offers Precision Location Solution, a location determination service for mobile device makers, wireless carriers, and asset tracking platforms to understand the precise geographic location and movement of mobile devices, as well as for enhancing the location determination capabilities of a hybrid location system. The Charter segment offers subscription-based video services comprising video on demand, high-definition television, and digital video recorder service, and local and long-distance calling, voicemail, call waiting, caller ID, call forwarding, and other voice services, as well as international calling services. It also provides Internet services, including an in-home Wi-Fi product that provides customers with high-performance wireless routers, and a security suite that offers protection against computer viruses and spyware. Soros's second-largest public position is Dr. Horton Inc., ticker symbol DHI. He currently owns 4,322,660 shares valued at $363 million. Soros owns 1.21% of the company. The company was founded by Donald Ray Horton in 1978 and is headquartered in Arlington, Texas. Dr. Horton, Inc. engages in the construction and sale of single-family housing. It operates through the following segments: homebuilding and financial services. Through the homebuilding segment, Dr. Horton operates 4 brands: Dr. Horton, Emerald Homes, Express Homes, and Freedom Homes. Express Homes is tailored to entry-level buyers, while the Emerald Homes brand is sold as luxury real estate. Since 2002, the company has been the largest homebuilder by volume in the United States. The financial services segment provides mortgage financing and title agency services to homebuyers in many of its homebuilding markets. Soros's third-largest public position is Power Shares Qqq Trust Sir 1, ticker symbol QQQ. He currently owns 995,013 shares valued at $356 million. Soros owns 0.19% of the company. QQQ is an ETF made by Invesco, an investment management company. Invesco QQQ's total expense ratio is 0.20%. Here is a detailed breakdown of Qqq. Soros's fourth largest public position is Amazon.com Inc., ticker symbol AMZN. He currently owns 91,961 shares valued at $302 million. Soros owns 0.02% of the company. Amazon.com Inc. is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon from his garage in Bellevue, Washington, on July 5, 1994. It started as an online marketplace for books but expanded to sell electronics, software, video games, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelry. Today it is one of the Big Five companies in the U.S. information technology industry. In 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the United States by market capitalization. Amazon is the largest internet company by revenue in the world. It is the second largest private employer in the United States. Amazon distributes a variety of downloadable and streaming content through its Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Music, Twitch, and Audible subsidiaries. Amazon also has a publishing arm, Amazon Publishing, film and television studio Amazon Studios, and a cloud computing subsidiary, Amazon Web Services. It produces consumer electronics including Kindle e-readers, Fire tablets, Fire TV, and Echo devices. Its acquisitions over the years include Zoix, Ring, Twitch, Whole Foods Market, and IMDb. Soros's fifth largest public position is IHS Markit Limited, ticker symbol INFO. He currently owns 2,442,411 shares valued at $285 million. Soros owns 0.61% of the company. IHS Markit Limited is an information provider with headquarters in London. Information Handling Services (IHS) was founded in 1959 as Information Handling Services to provide information for aerospace engineers through microfilm databases. IHS's founding date refers to a 1959 initiated publication about microfilm begun by an Englewood, Colorado-based former reel precursor which Norman L. Canner's 1945 initiated publishing empire, led by Modern Materials Handling, acquired and expanded. It subsequently grew to incorporate other companies in the information services sector, many dating back to the late 1700s and 1800s. These include Cambridge Energy Research Associates, Global Insight, Jane's Information Group, Carfax, Inc., Prime Publications Limited, and John S. Herald, Inc. Markit was founded in 2003 as Markit Partners, a financial data provider for daily credit default swap pricing. In 2016, Englewood, Colorado, US-based IHS and London-based Markit merged. On 30 November 2020, S&P Global and IHS Markit released information about a definitive all-stock deal for around $44 billion, a deal which would be the largest of the year globally, according to Dealogic data. Soros's sixth largest public position is VEREIT Inc., ticker symbol VER. He currently owns 4,357,631 shares valued at $197 million. Soros owns 1.90% of the company. VEREIT Inc. operates as a real estate investment trust, which provides real estate investment services. It owns and manages the portfolios of single-tenant commercial properties in the U.S. The company operates through the following segments: real estate investment and coal capital. The real estate investment segment acquires, owns and operates single-tenant, freestanding, commercial real estate properties, primarily subject to long-term net leases with high credit quality tenants. The coal capital segment engages in raising capital for and managing the affairs of certain non-traded real estate investment trusts. As of December 31, 2020, the company owned 3,831 properties with an aggregate of 89.7 million square feet. In April 2021, Realty Income agreed to acquire the company. The merger was closed on November 1, 2021 for about $11 billion, and they will spin off office properties of both companies into a new publicly traded REIT. Soros's seventh largest public position is Alphabet Inc., ticker symbol Google. He currently owns 59,482 shares valued at $159 million. Soros owns 0.01% of the company. Alphabet Inc. is an American multinational technology conglomerate holding company headquartered in Mountain View, California. It was created through a restructuring of Google on October 2, 2015, and became the parent company of Google and several former Google subsidiaries. The two co-founders of Google remained as controlling shareholders, board members, and employees at Alphabet. Alphabet is the world's third largest technology company by revenue and one of the world's most valuable companies. Soros's eighth largest public position is Nuance Communications Inc., ticker symbol NUAN. He currently owns 2,847,830 shares valued at $157 million. Soros owns 0.91% of the company. Nuance is an American multinational computer software technology corporation, headquartered in Burlington, Massachusetts, that markets speech recognition and artificial intelligence software. Nuance merged with its competitor in the commercial large-scale speech application business, Scansoft, in October 2005. Scansoft was a Xerox spin-off that was bought in 1999 by Visioneer, a hardware and software scanner company, which adopted Scansoft as the new merged company name. The original Scansoft had its roots in Kurzweil Computer Products. On April 12, 2021, Microsoft announced that it will buy Nuance Communications for $19.7 billion, or $56 a share, a 22% increase over the previous closing price. This will be Microsoft's second biggest deal ever, after its purchase of LinkedIn for $24 billion in 2016. Shortly after the deal, the Competition and Markets Authority, a UK regulatory body, stated it was looking into the deal on the basis of antitrust concerns. In December 2021, it was reported that the deal would be approved by the European Union. Soros's ninth largest public position is Ppd Inc., ticker symbol Ppd. He currently owns 2,800,259 shares valued at $131 million. Soros owns 0.80% of the company. Ppd Inc. was founded in 1985, provides drug development services to the biopharmaceutical industry worldwide. The company operates through two segments: clinical development services and laboratory services. It offers clinical development services, including product development and consulting, early development, phases 2 IV clinical trial management, accelerated enrollment, peri and post-approval, and medical communications services. The company also provides laboratory services comprising bioanalytical, biomarker, vaccine science, good manufacturing practice, and central laboratory services. In April 2021, Thermo Fisher announced the acquisition of Ppd Inc. for a total cash purchase price of $17.4 billion plus the assumption of approximately $3.5 billion of net debt. As of December 2021, Thermo Fisher Scientific completed the acquisition of Ppd. Soros's 10th largest public position is Figs Inc., ticker symbol Figs. He currently owns 3,124,577 shares valued at $116 million. Soros owns 1.94% of the company. Qqq is an American healthcare apparel brand based in Santa Monica, California. The company sells scrubs that come in a variety of colors and styles, as well as a number of other products for healthcare professionals. It was founded in 2013 by Heather Hasson and Trina Spear, who both serve as co-CEOs. They added face masks to their stock in response to the coronavirus pandemic in 2020. The company expanded sales to Australia and the United Kingdom to meet the surging demand for medical equipment of all kinds caused by the coronavirus pandemic of 2020. In 2020, Qqq doubled its revenue to $263 million and had profits of almost $50 million. In May 2021, Qqq filed for an initial public offerings for $3 billion. On May 27, 2021, Qqq became the first company led by two female co-founders to trade on the New York Stock Exchange. Also, for the first time, the company allowed retail investors early access to purchase shares before the official sale began on the NYSE via the stock buying app Robinhood Markets. His basic theory of investing is that financial markets are chaotic. The prices of stocks, bonds and currencies depend on the human beings who buy and sell them, and those traders often act out of highly emotional reactions rather than coolly logical calculations. Opportunities can be found by carefully studying the value and the market prices of assets. He focuses on a theory of reflexivity, which is based on the premise that individual investor biases affect market transactions and the economy. Most of Soros's top 10 have been acquired this year. Tell us what you think about George Soros's portfolio in the comment section below. Mr. Stag logging off.